Hello everyone, I am Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, coming at you with my ride review and product spotlight on the seat cover from Motoseat. All right everyone, so real quickly, I just want to give you a ride review on this seat cover from Motoseat. So not too long ago, I built up this 2018 RMZ 450 and I put the seat cover from Motoseat on here. Now for me as a rider, I like to have a really good planted feel to the bike, like I'm stuck to the motorcycle. And for me, a lot of stock seat covers, they're just not that great. For me, I call them a slip and slide because I can't stay planted on the bike. So I put on this seat cover from Motoseat, and I have to say that, you know, after months of riding, couldn't be happier. This really is the grippiest seat cover that I've ever had, and I've tried a lot of different brands, and Motoseat does a really good job. So it's a marine grade vinyl. It's got a lot of stretch to it, so when you're installing it, I know a lot of guys hate installing seat covers. I'm in the same boat, but it installs easily. I honestly put the seat cover on in about 10 minutes, but it really is just really grippy. The grippiest material that I've ever used for a seat cover, and the durability is really good as well. I've got a lot of hours on this. It's not tearing. All the seams are good. They double stitch all the seams. So durability wise, it's been awesome. And like I said, the grip on this really does make a noticeable difference when I'm on the track, when I'm getting aggressive. I don't feel like I'm sliding back on the seat. So for you as a rider, if you feel like your seat cover, no matter what you have, is slippery and you're looking to get more grip and more feel on the bike, well, an aftermarket seat cover is the way to go. And I'm telling you, Motoseat, these guys have been doing this for a long time. Their seat covers are a really great option. We carry these for a lot of different bike brands, also a lot of cool colorways. So when you're picking these up, you just want to make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike. And that's going to make sure you're going to get the cover that's going to fit your seat. Now to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to our website at RockyMountainATVMC.com. And do not forget that orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight and this review of the Motoseat cover, well, make sure to click subscribe to us on YouTube. That's going to keep you up to date so you guys never miss out. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.